We'll simplify a square root. We will simplify and assume that a letter represents any real number, and the square root that we're looking at is the square root of x squared plus 10x plus 25. Now we can recognize that x squared plus 10x plus 25 is the square of a binomial. It's the square of x plus 5. So we can write this as the square root of x plus 5 squared. And if we're assuming that a letter can represent any real number, we're going to have to use absolute value notation when we find the square root so that we don't have the possibility of having a negative number. For instance, if x were -6, and I just wrote x plus 5 for the square root, that would say that the square root was -1, which wouldn't be possible. So I use absolute value notation, and I give the square root then as the absolute value of x plus 5.